Yeah, people, welcome back. You know it's a boy Caribbean Vibes cooking first camping video for 2023. You know what I mean? So the thing about Caribbean Vibes cooking, I wanna give you guys good content, not just only daytime vlog, but also we're gonna incorporate the vlog with some night activity as well. So we are head out, we have tent, sleeping bed, and we have everything. Food stuff, everything. So you know we are trying to shoot out early out and give them the night video before night come down. We have light as well. River, so we now come off a river till tomorrow, maybe in the afternoon. So we're trying to give you guys a two-part video, like a night video and a morning video. And I left one thing in the thought, guess I left my pillar. Yeah man, I get my pillar, you know guys. So stay tuned. And man, you know it's a boy Caribbean Vibes cooking, and we're aiming to big things. You know, we don't stop, you know what I mean? Right now, we love the support where the channel I get. I swear. Just keep on supporting Caribbean Vibes Cooking and the entire team. Me, Chrissy, Cam, Brina, Dog, Nadisha, man never behind the scene. You guys love you so much. Thanks for making it Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog channel. Beautiful sunset. The dog and Chrissy them gone for the location already. So I try to see if I can catch some scenery to give you another vlog. So I know see another great video today again. Yeah, first camping video 2023. On the location, you know, place a bush up here and all a grow up. Yeah, people, officially camping.
The first camping video. It's a great look. I want to say, yeah, big respect to the boss. What take care of the place. God
atmosphere,
place. Good.
Atmosphere clean, bro.
Yes, man.
Thanks to Candy, you know?
Yeah, man, that's how we are keeping, you know?
Yeah, man, the first camping video, man. It's a good look.
First one's a good one, believe
Stick
me.
and stay and watch the process, because we're there.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
Keep it birded, bro.
Good evening!
Goodbye.
Good evening!
Blessed Sabbath to all.
Good evening!
Sabbath keeper.
Sabbath evening, blessings. Thank
Oh,
you,
it's a
Lord!
good look.
Yeah.
Just nice, you know, guys, yeah, man. First camping video out, you know?
Bigger one.
Yeah, man, it's a good look, man.
Look at the Chinese food.
Chinese food.
Yeah.
Let's see, boy, big cat there.
Yeah, peeps. Out on the camping evening up on the Sabbath. See fish them, we line up the fish them. Get them salt out. Fry fish. And a good old plantain bread in the evening. Yes, man. It's a good look, man. My place to set up a bath, set up a place well set. Yes, man, the place is well set, man. Well set. Yeah, man. You see me, I get the fire ketchup now, start line up the fire now.
Somebody told me
Yeah, people. So I use some fish season, some all-purpose season. Season up the fish them, you know. Rasta behind the camera. Fire blaze.
Right away.
Yeah,
Jaja.
watch it.
Jaja
Good
bamboo.
old bamboo them.
I dry off the fish them same time. Take off the excess water off of them and season them, you know. About 7 o'clock, you know. So I try to beat the darkness with the GoPro. Have additional light feed. Rub in a core and just sprinkle a little inside. Our first camping video for 2023. Second camping video for me. First one for Daga, Nadisha and Chrissy and Cam.
Yes, sir.
And China man. Yes. First tent setup. Course I want another piece. Yeah. They come out here to like a veranda what me in away there. So both will come out so. I'm gonna tell you something about. First tent setup. Oh. Oh, fine man. Okay. Yes, so this a piece I know have to come, so I veranda, you know. I veranda this, sir. They know how they make it, sir. So, yeah, I first me actually I set up it just pull out these things.
So yes, peeps, I get hot now, so we'll put in 3 cloves of garlic and some pimento seed. Pimento seed gonna pop like popcorn. I'm getting some fish in my pot now because fire blaze. Wow. How's the piece of fish today?
Yeah.
Good piece. Best piece as you can see. It's a chin.
Yeah.
I line up the fire.
Yeah.
Campfire.
You know?
You know, it's a blaze.
You know we go. Fire for blaze tonight. Yeah, man. Bamboo.
Some bamboo where I put
Bamboo. Blaze up, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man. Go now.
I sort out the wood them to the fire. You know, no light over here, so we have to go build our own light.
Right. Appreciate it.
Come on, this is a good look, man.
Yeah man.
You can hear the peony while they make nice already.
Yeah man. Yeah?
My little nephew Zoom, what you have to say? You good? Yes man, my little nephew man. Great old Zoom.
Zoom.
Yeah.
Bless up yourself, yo.
Yeah man.
Heart of love, brother. Caribbean cooking vibes. Bless up, love. Turn up.
Yeah man, so finally guys, set up a tent. The first tent we have 2 more to set up, so I try to speed up ahead of schedule because you know night they want to finish up and set up everything. Yeah man. Caribbean vibe at it again. Yeah.
Yeah, peeps. You can see me, I get the fish them turn up. You can see it night I come down. Fish them fry up. Have a great night tonight. On the Sabbath, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. I see fish them fry up. Can't wait. You know, this evening or Saturday evening. When I normally do no hard cooking. It's either some fried fish. They don't know how we just make some tea. I will make a little pot of porridge. So we just get some fried fish in the evening. Like our first camping. I get fish and fry up.
Yeah, again, chicken vibes.
Yes, man.
First camping.
And I have no light, so we have to make light. Keep the thing live. Fish them fry up.
Yes, so we are going to saute the vegetable. Add in some bell pepper, Galeni carrot, scotch bonnet pepper. Just add in a little flair of spice. Because you know not everyone can manage the flair of the spice.
Good luck?
Yeah.
Only on Caribbean.
Flip it, boy. Flip it. My world.
So we are rotate the vegetable, you know?
Yeah, man. Flip it, boy.
We are add some vinegar.
Looking great.
Just blanching the vegetable them. Don't really want them to overcook. Yeah.
Hot pot.
Yes, boy.
Take your time.
So drizzle the vegetable over the fish. Man, yeah, but I can't wait for cool off because I water me sleep all night, you know. Chill out.
Yeah.
Let's go beach fish. My world.
Can't wait to get to it.
I can't wait. Get into it.
Ah.
Brother Denton.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Evan.
Yo, bro.
Oh my God. Boss lady.
Yeah.
Just going up there.
Come on.
Fire still ablaze.
Fire still ablaze, yo.
And it's the vehicle that where we get our light from. That's where we get our light from, the vehicle.
Oh my God. God is
Everything
good.
set. Yeah,
All
man.
the time. Ah, yeah, man. Give thanks, Mr.
Mr. Chin, big up yourself.
Freedom.
Ah.
You wash your hand already.
Watch out, Chrissy, wash your hand. Oh my God, we're hungry
Yeah, man,
now,
I can't see, man. The fish and the bird ready, you know.
Oh.
So.
And we have some beer. We have some
Yeah, man. Fish and bread.
rum to drink tonight.
Yeah, man, the
We
tea
have
out,
gold
man.
rum. We have fruit juice. Yeah, we have biscuit. We have peanut.
First time.
Yeah, man.
First time. This is first time camping.
Yes, man.
Yes.
The team is out. Brother Dog is behind the camera.
Yeah.
Guys, first time camping feels really good. The experience is nice. Here.
Calm your missing, calm your missing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. First
Come and
time
leave it there.
camping, you know, out on the night vlog. I'm enjoying it. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
Chin.
Yeah, man. Blessed love, man. First, I'm going to do the camping. Caribbean cooking vibes is the best.
Yeah. First to them, which are virgin. Second for me, you know what I mean?
Yes, man.
And the experience is great, guys. You know, think everybody should get that experience of camping. You know, yeah, man, it's a good vibes, good look with Caribbean vibes cooking vlog. You know what I mean? That I think about the channel. We not just want to stop the channel one way. We want to give you guys all different type of content. We want to travel even the Caribbean and collab with other YouTuber too.
Yes,
but it's just a matter of time. Yes. Night, yeah. Yeah, all up on my mind right now is water.
As you can see, the little boat, a canoe we are doing. I can't go out in that today. When I go out in that big old boat, so a little boat land, come ashore.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Trying to keep it as authentic as possible as we can, you know?
Yes, man.
You got chunks to life. Look at that. What you're doing, huh?
Right, so time to put in the bread in the plate, you know?
The blunt and
Fish
porridge.
look good.
Yeah, blunt and porridge and cinnamon, you know?
Yeah, that have it, supper time today.
Well, if I believe it.
Yeah, man.
Supper
You know, we not go better now, you know.
Alright, so I hit that people.
Just a love drink. And style, nice.
Camping vibe.
Yeah, man.
Good old established fish. With the good old plantain bread.
Well, you can snap, you know?
Can't wait to buy it next. What's up?
Love it.
All the fish that me mash up.
Yeah, man, love it. Nice. Caribbean cooking vibe. Up. This
Great.
is my team. Boss man, boss lady, best of luck. It's a good look. Are you afraid? It's a good look.
Yeah, man, it's a good look, man.
Nice. Extra big fish.
First
It's
camp out.
nice. You know, I
First
love my
night out.
vegetable. So the onion and the carrot and the bell pepper. Crunchy.
Nice.
Now your crunch.
Love it, you know? So if you want it all, man.
Yeah, people say you suddenly leave it in the night.
Remember, I made a behind the scene a record.
Late night. Late night camping.
So you know, we have to make sure that we put out the quality first.
Tongue speech.
Yeah, nice little bonfire settings in the night. Nice little bonfire. Yeah guys, the break, you know, Miss Chrissy, she's still in her bed, all comfortable. Things and yard in still there. Chrissy, wake up, man. Wake up, Chrissy, wake up. Yeah. You break, you light out. God be the glory, great things you have done, eh? Another great video. Coming again. Actually, I go get a beard in the early morning, you know, and look about some breakfast. Peanut porridge with plantain, and cabbage and saltfish, boiled banana. And morning, and then head out. Wrap up the vlog here so you guys can get in. This will come out all time, just to wake up. How are dog there? Yo! Yeah, watch him out, man. The man now wake up. Yeah. Yo, people look for a dog on that dish. Yo, wake up, man.
We don't normally get up that time.
Yeah, what? Yo, guys, listen, dog.
Oh, we don't normally get up so early, yo.
Rasta, that is just...
You come with the air.
Yeah.
Yo, around air.
Yeah, wake up, bud.
Morning paper.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I check for my neighbor. Yeah, where are you?
My mother's star. Yeah. Everybody champion boy, man. Tell us, yo.
We're on the side.
Good morning, my peeps. Morning, brother.
Yeah,
It
bro,
was
morning.
a good night, star. I'm sleeping bug and everything.
Yes, man.
Blessed morning, tall man. To God be the glory.
Great
Great
things
things he
you
has
have
done. Blessings. Morning, sir.
Yeah, man.
Hey, morning! Morning. Caribbean cooking vibes?
Yeah.
First camping.
Adventure with a difference.
Good adventure. Good one. Love the bugs. Oh. Listen, my peeps. Come on down bug, you know. I get ready to cook some food in the morning, you know. Oh, ja. Boy. I said, look, man. Blurs and skirt. I'm going to put them weak.
Yeah, look at this, how that. Right, watch him.
Your piece was just ready to sleep by you. Man, I come with both of bed so early. You.
Get up, your bum. I'm boxing that. Get up, Rasta. Get up.
Morning, peeps. Morning. It was a great night last night, without telling a lie. The first time camping out, yeah. Nice. Blessed love, everybody.
Yeah, man. Telling
Go.
one. Adventure, nice, man.
I get up on bonny fire now and make some porridge there, man. I don't know.
Yeah.
I cook
So
some.
before me even start make no porridge and cook no food, the first thing I forget a decent bed.
Yeah, man, I get up and take a wash off in the river. Early morning, bed. Yeah, man.
Yes,
Boom.
man. Shower.
Ah! Yes, please. Same thing I remember when we were born. You get up morning time, you have to sweep up your yard, wash up the plate them, and get myself together. In the morning to start out. Breakfast.
Yo, yeah, turn on the rake. Turn on the rake, Rasta. Rasta, you go wrong way.
It's a good look. I get the place sort out in the morning. You know, normally get up them at the Sunday morning time, because you know, no work this morning. There, man.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, family, morning.
Yeah, well,
That's
early.
the first bath in the morning, like best one.
God, no, yo.
So when you look at the water this morning, and you say early back in the water this morning again, you know, water so thin. Water is stop alive. That's the thing. Oh, but early morning.
Blessed morning, the water pretty like, whoa.
Yeah, man, we'll take a beer now and then kick off the ball now, man. But early breakfast.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Wow. A
Yeah,
great
man.
adventure, yo. It's a good place, pretty man.
Yeah, wait now here for my return for going to bathroom, people. You know what I mean? Wait, it's a good look. It's a good look. Nature is really beautiful.
True.
You know what I mean? And we have it, the resource and everything. And when I use it up, you know what I mean? And it's a thing where we make even visitors from overseas travel much 1,000 miles just to come enjoy our beautiful island. So
Wow.
that's why Caribbean Vibes Cooking, we are embarked on all of these adventure anywhere they way are there when you come on to adventure.
So
Give
true.
yourself big brother Chinaman
Yo,
behind the scene.
manners, huh?
One love, bro.
Fully active.
The female them I get them teeth brush up. Get them morning shower. Yeah, come out of the water.
Oh, siya Abi, nakabiya lang ako. Ito nga yung show na naman, you know, morning show out.
Yeah, morning show right now.
Yeah.
And the fish is done.
But I can feel good and right, you know, natural pure water.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some up in more, you know?
Yes, my people. Some peanut we are going to blend out. Yeah, peanut porridge. Peanut porridge can't be peanut porridge without peanut in it, don't A quick run through the blender with them, get them as smooth as possible. Yeah man. So peanut porridge mixed with plantain this morning. Stay tuned. Yeah. Water boil up. Gonna add 2 cinnamon sticks. Cover it and allow it to draw. Then add the peanut and the plantain in it. Yeah, adding in the plantain. Healthy breakfast this morning. Yeah.
God. Oh my world.
Fire blaze like wow.
Peanut,
Bamboo, you know?
plantain, you know?
Peanut.
Yeah, so adding the peanut now. See that boy? Yeah, that's how you want to get the peanut rich. And you don't want your peanut water, you want the peanut to blend and have substance, have a lot of body. Yes, man. You see that? Okay. Thank you. Yeah, so we have a cover.
Caribbean cooking vibe.
We have a cover a pot, you know.
Another great morning.
Because we don't want it to boil over. And same time, always I go check one.
Peanut porridge in the morning. Oh my world. That's a peanut porridge. Got some cabbage and some banana and all them things there, you know?
Saltfish.
Yeah. Some saltfish. You understand? Jaja. It's your boss lady. My God, she always looking ready.
Thank you.
Ooh, like she ready for work.
Yeah.
Yes.
Morning, guys. Another great vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My word.
Yeah, I'm gonna add some creamy wheat. Instead of using the flour, tend to use the creamy wheat. As you know, wheat healthy, you know. So if we're promoting healthy living, then this is the way. So just give the porridge a thicker body. You can see creamy wheat started to combine in the porridge. It's coming along. It's a little bit of creamy wheat. Could use wheat flour, regular flour, but creamy wheat is the perfect way of choice. Right, Rasta?
Yes, man.
You see?
Honestly, I get the saltfish salt
See
out.
it? Yeah, you see that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna add in 1.5 grated 1.5 grated nutmeg. Yo, Chinaman, are you come with the peanut in the water? We are talking about 1.5 peanut. 1.5 nutmeg, guys. That's what I'm adding in, you know, the part. Yeah. So we're adding in 1.5 grated nutmeg.
Enhance the flavor of the
Yes,
porridge.
the porridge, yes. So we're gonna allow this to cook. You can pick up the rich scent of the nutmeg already.
I'm plate already.
Yeah.
Just put it in the
Allow
calabash.
everything to cook. Gonna add some milk, freshly squeezed cow's milk.
Brother Alaska, brother.
Yeah, so we're adding in 2 cups of milk. Don't have any measuring ladle, so we're using the cup. Rich peanut porridge this morning.
And plantain to the end.
Yep. Looking good. So I'm gonna add just a little piece of margarine Now the porridge. We're going to add some vanilla. Yeah, and this is rose water. This is the secret. And coming on to making porridge, baking. We're also going to add some cinnamon powder. And just a little bit of mixed spice. Ah, Chrissy, you alone can drink all this pot of porridge?
Wow. Just, you know.
Want to see?
Three cup milk. What is a cup? Rather, 3 bags.
So we use some sweetening milk.
On the river side.
Salt. See salt right there, so please. Yeah. See salt right there, so. I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt.
My world. Your father.
Some brown sugar.
Now we're ready.
Yeah, not too much. Because we're sweetening to taste. We don't want to overpower it.
Yeah, peeps.
dumpling, man.
I get in the caramel dumpling in the pot. So caramel dumpling with banana, cabbage and saltfish and peanut porridge and plant. Yeah. I make them too big so liquor, you know, breakfast dumpling. Yeah.
Yes, man. The boss love make dumpling and shit. We don't know intensive.
Yes.
You tell, man.
Me I tell her dumpling or flour, which one?
You never put the dumpling, me say. Flour make a dumpling.
You need the flour and turn it in a dumpling. When it cook, you turn in a dumpling.
Alright, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
man. Out there.
Hello. Good morning.
Yeah. I will saute the vegetables. Using some cucumber, tomato, shredded carrot, fine, scallion, onion, garlic.
What color, man?
Yeah.
Red, green and gold.
You're gonna add a piece of margarine, little black pepper, little fish season, and also some all-purpose. Now for the dog, you know, coffee, my hand is so tough. Gonna stir and then cover and allow it to steam for another 2 minutes. Yes, breakfast coming along.
Digital deals.
Yes, sir. Crunchy.
Yeah guys, the morning I drink the porridge, you know. Yeah man, porridge nice. Peanut and plantain. Nice porridge. Love it. Long time I drink some peanut and plantain porridge, you know. Porridge nice, we enjoy. Yeah man. Porridge nice.
Yes, peeps. So early morning porridge. Plantain and peanut. Boom. Yeah.
Wow.
Nobody work with the big bash this morning. It's a small
good luck,
bash.
you know?
I know how things are. We have breakfast, we have food to eat, so we now to fill up belly with the porridge.
Yeah.
Man. It's a blessing, man. Porridge nice. Plantain with peanut.
Plan porridge.
Need for chai,
Peanut.
peeps.
Nice.
Yes,
Tall man, you know, see the bed on camera still, but you should actually have a cup in your hand, see me.
Yeah, man. Finish here already, man.
Oh
Finish
my
here
God,
already.
yo.
Finish
Believe
here.
me. Caribbean Cooking Vibes doing it
Yes,
over
peeps.
and over.
I
Another
need food
great
again.
hit.
Yes, man.
Another great hit, yo. Just,
Come on.
just subscribe to our channel. Blessings.
When can I take the porridge, man?
Hi guys. I'm gonna drink some porridge right now. Peanut and plantain porridge.
Banana.
Zoom, you know what you talk so
A
much.
plantain and peanut, man.
About the porridge, then.
Tastes really good, guys.
Tastes good?
Nice. You can taste all the spices.
Tastes nice.
The spice, sorry, in there. Hot. No, hot.
Zoom, what you mean so much, man?
Say it now.
Where you say porridge nice?
Nice.
Lovely, man. They say cook good. My God, cool, come on.
Zoom to your world, man. Zoom say porridge. What?
Are your uncle, you know?
Yeah, man, my little nephew, man.
Yes, man.
Yes, peeps. In that man, on a big ship, we look about this man. Look at Connie come ashore. So, we'll get the breakfast share out there, man.
No engine depends about it. A pagri have a pagri. I use it.
No engine on the body.
Yeah man, no engine.
Yeah, man, I get the breakfast share out there now. Great. Yes, sir.
I mean, cabbage and saltfish. Healthy Jamaican breakfast. Cabbage and saltfish.
Love steamed cabbage and saltfish. You know.
Good meal for a vegetarian.
Yeah, me alone eat off all the whole pot of cabbage.
Yes, I put it down for you, cat. Am I sorry? Yes, my people, we getting in there. Me just go on. Saltfish and cabbage with wild food. You know you go. Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And hit the notification button. Peace out.
Yes, peeps.
Whoa. You know it now. Taste of it, don't you?
Rasta, I'm going back to the iPad and
Rasta.
not even done yet.
Rasta can't wait. My God. Yo, matter people. Caribbean Cooking Vibes. Another great hit and a great one for the morning. Steamed cabbage, saltfish. Wow. Dumpling. Devon, do it again.
Yes,
Give
sir.
God thanks for this morning. It's a great look. It's a great look. It's a great look. Blessed love. The time.
Please, me I tell you. Me eat one eye dumpling. And one dumpling is sweet. When you see me take 3, I have to go 4, but I mean, it have 4, I feel like me want more. But I come back.
6 more.
Nice.
Me have no more. 2 more.
Morning peeps again, one more. Bang, I drop again now. Cabbage and saltfish, you know. Yeah man, that was nice. Some of them cabbage steam. You to steam out, you know, right way steam. Yeah man, I enjoy. Yeah man. Cucumber and sweet pepper. Some like them. Well nice, yeah man, crunchy.
Yeah, good morning, people. I want another hit coming again, you know, Caribbean Vibes. We really appreciate the support. And just there I try to finish eat our breakfast. Mitch, you know, dog, Nadisha. Big up your candy for always kept the river clean. You know, not for only us but for other person who are come and enjoy the river. And really appreciate it. And when cabbage and saltfish taste really good. Not really a heavy eater when it come on to food. I'm more like a rice person.
Yeah.
So I just take 2 dumplings and see me actually bust already. Don't want to can't go no further. Yes, so you know what for the people. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so when we drop the content, you all will be the first to get them.